Okay, guys, got a broke garage door spring and you have no idea what size you need to replace it with. All you need is a tape measure and something to mark your spring with. What you need to do is get your spring back together, take your tape measure, and get an overall measurement of the spring only. Mine's 25.5, so that's roughly a 26-inch spring. The next thing you'll need is the inside diameter of this spring. Take a measurement of the inside. You can see there's 2 inches. All right, the next thing you do, I'm going to post a chart up to make this easy, but you have got to have the wire size of the coils. So what you do is you count 20 of the coils, take your marker or your chalk, mark the 20th one, tape measure, measure that distance, 4.5 inches. Cross-reference that on the little chart, and it tells you this one is 0.225 wire size. All right, for more quick and easy around the home videos, give us a follow. Thanks for stopping by, and always, God bless.